How is it physically possible that two opposing lawyers looking at the same exact set of facts can come to two totally wildly different conclusions about the value of your injuries? You want to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Every case has a dispute. Doesn't matter if it's a car accident case or medical malpractice case or wrongful death case. There's always a dispute about who's responsible, a dispute about who is responsible for compensating the injured victim, and then how much compensation is the injury worth. That's always disputed. Now, you might think, I don't understand. This person was careless, this person caused my injuries, now I suffered a fractured leg, I needed surgery, I now need rehabilitation, and now I'm going to have the following disabilities, and in all likelihood I'm going to need surgery into the future. So there should be a clear, definable answer to what the value of my injuries are worth. Why is it that one attorney, the defense attorney, says my injuries are only worth this much? Why is it that my attorney, the injured victim's attorney, says my injuries are worth this much? The answer is, each side has a different agenda. Each side is trying to accomplish different goals. So let me share with you briefly what those goals are. You see, the defense attorney, their entire objective is to dispute every single thing that you say. Their goal is to try and save the insurance company money. They want to pay out as little as possible. So now, even if they acknowledge that their client was careless, they're still going to do everything possible to minimize the value of your injuries. On the other hand, your attorney is going to do everything possible to maximize the value of your injuries, to show to the defense that this is disabling, that now you're going to have these problems into the future, that now your injuries are so disabling that now they're going to prevent you from doing those things that you used to be able to do. And now we have competing goals. So that's how it is that two different attorneys on opposing sides can look at the same exact set of facts and come to two totally different conclusions about the value of your injuries. So why do I share this quick piece of information with you? I share it with you to give you a better understanding and an insight into what goes on in the litigation process, even though you believe in your heart of hearts that you know exactly what happened and you know that your injuries are very significant. But that will explain why they're two wildly different opposing views of what occurs, and why the defense thinks your case isn't worth what you think it is, and why your attorney thinks that your case clearly is worth significantly more. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.